Alright, 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger. I got the power steering pump off. I still need hoses. Okay. It does look like we have a match on the pump. I got to take that pulley off. I got a puller. But I need hoses anyway. And this is as far as I wanted to get today with the truck. So I got to work tonight, so I'm going to try getting some rest before night shift. But we'll get this going, and eventually we'll get paint and upholstery and everything, and even stuff like this can be repaired. The 1970 Buick actually looked a lot worse than that, but I'll just take some metal. Oh, I got different gauges over here, and cut out a piece and weld on there. So, not really a big issue. Actually, the most difficult part is doing a job good enough that you can put this back on, because as you can see, if you look back in there, that's all going to have to come out. All the bad stuff will come out, you know, and then you'd have to bend it to put the screws back into it. That's the most difficult part. So sometimes I just go without putting the chrome back on, but that shape would be plenty easy to get. And same thing back here, cut that out and replace it, and you got it. So that project is active, and I'm very happy to be doing it. But that's enough for today. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.